Hi, it's Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading account on IG. Stay tuned until the end of the video and we will reveal a helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you're a beginner or experienced trader. Let's get started. IG was established in 1974 and is home to more than 170,000 clients worldwide. IG is a trusted and regulated broker, making it perfect for beginners or experienced traders alike. Featuring trading in Forex, Indices, cryptocurrencies, shares, commodities, and more, as well as the winner of the 2018 Best Finance application. It's a great place for education and trading, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. They allow you to delve into their in-depth news and analysis, which comes with a variety of features, such as trading ideas, strategies, financial events, trade analytics tools, podcasts, and more. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on IG. First, go to their website at www.ig.com. On their home screen, you will see a Create Demo Account. Next, submit your personal information such as your username, contact number, and email address. Then, click on Try Our Demo. You will see your demo account is ready to use. Click on Open My IG. This is the My IG dashboard. Here you can select which demo account you would like to try out. You have the choice of either international or domestic. We selected international. Click on Open Platform. And we're in. This is the IG platform demo. On the main screen is your workspace. Here you can select various different trading instruments such as indices, Forex, cryptocurrencies, shares, commodities, and more. If we select the Forex panel, we can see the currency pairs which are displayed on this demo account. You can double-click on the individual currency pairs to open up separate windows which display your graphs, buy and sell executions, orders, and alerts. You can click on the settings button in the window, which looks like 3 dots, or simply right-click the window itself to customize your appearance of the graph window. You have the option to change your graphs exactly how you would like to, from candlestick and various others, so you can personalize your preference exactly the way you want it. You can even select individual colors to your graphs also, giving you a more customizable user interface with more control. In the middle of the Workspace Category tab, you can select popular markets, major Forex, and commodities, which display trends, changes, and how they are performing in the market. Keep in mind that because this is a demo account, all this information is simulated to help you educate yourself or just practice trading in general. At the lower left side, you can see your positions, orders, history, alerts, and more, such as news and analytics, and your very own econ calendar. Again, you can select the Popular Markets panel to open up a separate window which displays exactly what individual markets are doing at a specific time. This helps you follow trends, view changes, and plan accordingly. If you ever have any problems with the IG platform, you can select the How-To button at the bottom right of the screen, which displays general helpful tips and guides that could assist you if you find it confusing. On the right of the screen, we can see our market buy and sell executions, where we can trade individual trading instruments. At the top of the workspace, you can select the individual currency pairs you have chosen, as well as any window you have opened in the main user interface. This lets you track working orders, view alerts, and quickly and efficiently switch from any window you would like to at any given time. On the Settings tab at the bottom left of the screen, you can customize the IG platform to your liking, with features such as a dark theme, sound effects for your alerts, and various other settings that could be customized to your personal preference. If you would prefer to use the MetaTrader 4 platform for your demo account over the IG trading platform, you can go to Trading Platforms, MetaTrader 4, and select Create MetaTrader 4 Demo Account and repeat the process. IG does support third-party platforms, so you can choose which platform you prefer easily. For beginner traders, IG offers various educational tools and strategies, such as advanced risk management and various webinars and seminars where you can learn the basics, explore the platform, and learn the ropes to trading. One tip that could be beneficial to you is to plan accordingly and practice as often as possible. Becoming a trader doesn't happen overnight. There are various factors, and the only way to gain the experience needed to be successful is to practice as much as you can, just like any other skill in life. Consider educating yourself in various trading strategies. Analyze everything as much as possible. Be realistic, as there's no real secret to Forex trading. It all comes down to practice, and practice makes perfect. And that's how to open a demo account on IG. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. That's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck.